and welcome to the replay. Just getting everything going here and ready to go. Hello, hello, hello. Just make sure my live started. There it is. So, yes, I'm super stoked to talk about, there it goes, post. Hi Mary, hi Karen, how are you? Hi Courtney. Hi Roz. Thanks for joining, ladies. Hi Danielle. Hi Tiff. Thanks for joining. So tonight, hi Leona, hi Angela, hi Lisa. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for joining. As you're coming in, and if you are not on my team or designer, I would love it if you would share my video. Bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. My website is the pinned post down below. Hi Marisol, hi Judy, hi Brittany. Hopefully I'm not missing anybody. I am doing good, Judy. I'm doing real good. Thanks for asking. Hi Susan, hi Laura. Thanks for joining, ladies. Okay, so, oops, I forgot my light. Hold on. Hold on. Hope everybody's doing good. There it goes. We have light. Hello, Angela. Hello, Dawn. So, this is going to be a super quick project tonight because, hi, Kathleen. I have my emerging leader call, so I need to get a move on. Hello from Maine, Susan. Hi, Alicia. Hi, Debbie. Thanks for joining, ladies. And how fun, if you guys saw, I found out that this is my 195th live video. How awesome is that? I'm so excited. I'm on a countdown to 200. I can't wait for that. Aw, thank you, Kathleen. Hello, Denise. Hello, Sherry. Hello, Debbie. So I'm going to make a lightning quick project for a friend of mine. I'm going to be making a quick sign for her front door. And I'm hoping, because here's the thing. This has like the real deep grooves in it. A party for 200. Absolutely. Hi, Sherry. Hi, Tammy. So I am hoping that it doesn't seep into the deep groove. So I'm going to try to be strategic about how I place this. So I'm going to just get right to it. So I've already used this transfer a bazillion times, okay? Hi, Christine. A bazillion times. So I've already labeled everything. Now, for those of you who are brand new to watching me, I'm going to pop something up on the screen here while I go ahead and get some stuff ready. This is all about Chalk Couture. This is what we do. I'm going to get my paste open while you guys are reading. And I'll come in and check in 1 second to see where we stand. Hi, Denise. Hi, Jenny. Thanks for joining. As you guys are coming in, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I would love it if you'd click it. Oh, boy. Yes, that is done. That red is done. Okay, I think that should be enough time. Let me come back to the live video now. There we go. So my color choices that I'm going to be using tonight are two, actually, that I haven't used in forever. Plum and Evergreen. Haven't used these guys in quite some time, so I'm going to test them out. Okay. I don't think I actually even used this plum yet since it's been opened. It definitely needs to be stirred, that's for sure, but look how gorgeous that consistency is. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I don't think I used it yet. I hear a lot of Rice Krispies. Remember, Rice Krispies, that's all the pigment. We need to get rid of that. Look how gorgeous that color is. Ugh, okay. Now, my Evergreen, I had like 3 opened at once, so I tried to combine in the same container. Probably wasn't the smartest idea I've had. But I just have to add a little bit of water to it because it gets a little chunky. Hi, Catherine. Hi, Denise. Okay, so we're going to just stir, stir, stir. Okay, so we've got our plum. We've got our Evergreen. Now our red. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love our new 3-ounce containers, let me tell you. Hi, Gary Ann. Thanks for joining. Okay, so. Hey, girl. I can't wait to see how your setup is. You always do the best setups, Catherine. I saw you were in Vermont, I think, right? Okay, so like I said, have used this a ton of times. I've already labeled it, and you saw if you read what I had put up. The reason why we label it is because we can reuse these over and over, and we need to make sure that we're putting them back onto the correct side. So I think what I'm going to attempt to do first is put down, all right, so let's just kind of guesstimate here. What we want to do is kind of lead with the It's So Good, because like I said, I want to make sure it's not in that groove. Okay, so we're going to do just that. So we're going to put this down. Hi, Lovey. Hi, Nancy. I know, me too, Debbie. Hi, Christina. How are you? Okie dokie. So, let's see. Hopefully, if we put it about here, we'll do this part first. Now, I'm hoping it's going to want to stick on this wood. Where's my angled squeegee so I can really use it? What an accomplishment. Yes, I'm almost at 200. It's so crazy. I counted them on YouTube because I always put my lives right onto my YouTube channel. And the other day I was like, I wonder how many I have. So that's pretty amazing. Pretty psyched about it. Okay, so I think this is going to be on pretty good. So, hey girl. I think we should do the Home in Plum. That's just I used to love this color when we had the Rocktober. So I think I'm going to grow to love it again. Hi, Tanya. So, I'm just going to kind of come in, smear the color around. Okay. You totally don't have to do that, but because I had so much on the squeegee, I figured why not just use it that way. Now, I'm going to take our small squeegee, though, and I'm going to pull it down all over the transfer. Spread that color around. Now I'm hoping, like I said, this is not going to be a hot mess because of these divots, but we're going to see. We shall see. This project is going to be super fast. I love that about these transfers. It's so quick and so easy to make a gift for somebody. So fast. Like, I can't even tell you. Like, we always have good intentions and we want to make stuff for people. Like, oh, handmade gifts are seriously the best. But if it's going to take me too long, I may not be a happy camper about it. Okay, got all my excess off, covered all the areas of the silk screen. Now it's time to peel and reveal. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, not so bad. I thought it was going to be really, really rotten with because of, well, I didn't anticipate. I should re-say that again. I was concerned it was going to turn out rotten because of the little divots here. But you know what? You can just add some in where it didn't go. So that way it looks like where it did go, it was meant to be on purpose. Now I'm using my little noodle. Well, my big noodle. Nothing's little on me. So that way it looks like it was meant to be that way. Love it! Oh, I like it, like it, like it. That was a quick way to recoup from this. Perfection. Love it. Oh my gosh, that's great. Okay. Hi, Susan. Hi, Tammy. Hi, Tom. Hi, Sherry. Hi, Sue. Hi, Brandy. Hi, Sherry Ann. Hi, Latanya. Hi, Sally. When I reach 200, I sure will, Debbie. Hi, Jen. Thanks, Tanya. Oh, Nancy, you can do it, girl. You can get them up there. Hi, Bern. Hi, Bobby Joe. Hi, Anita. Okay, so we are done with the plum. Let's go ahead and close it up. Okay, hi, Shannon. How you doing? Thanks for joining. Hi, Brandy. My arms? What about my arms? What about my arms, Tanya? Hi, Christina. Thank you, Angela. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's hit it with some heat, guys. We need this to be dry so I can come in and pop the It's So Good to Be over this. I do like the rustic look. You know what I actually might even consider doing? I might even sand over it. That will look super cool. Hi, Jen. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and get It's So Good to Be on. There it goes. Now I'm going to put it above the divot. And we're going to do this in Evergreen. Need a little more. Okay, now I'm going to use a squeegee that I cut in thirds because this is a tiny, much tinier transfer here that I'm going to be working with. Much tinier space, and I don't want to go off the wood because I did not wax this wood, so if I go off it could likely stain it, and I don't obviously want that to happen because I don't have another one. And my Evergreen is a little chunky, so it's making me move a little bit slower. But also for the simple fact that I want to take care to not go over this. So I think by, if not Sunday, Monday, I will be at 200 videos. My goodness, that's going to be so cool. I can't wait. Ruh-roh. I have no nails to lift this up. There it goes. Well, I don't know that I'm very happy with how this turned out because it was a lot skinnier. And because of where the divots are, you can't really see it. Ugh. Definitely the rustic look there. I was kind of concerned about that, I'm not going to lie, but I wasn't sure. Let's see if I can. Yeah, it's just a painted board. I actually just bought it this way, and I've had it for months. It has been sitting in my stash, and I said, you know what, I'm going to do something about this. I can kind of force this. Kind of force it upon. Because it's in the grooves. I don't like the way that bee turned out though. Ugh. Sometimes it does not come out the way you hoped, but you try anyway. It's okay. It's not horrible. I'll put it to you that way. It's not horrible. Not the best. But that's okay. Still handmade, which is all that matters. Hi, Christy. Hi, Diane. Yeah, I definitely could take the paintbrush to it. I'm not 100% concerned. I'm not going to lie. It's going to be okay. She's going to love it. She's going to love it. It does not really matter too much. And if she doesn't, she knows I'll always make her another one. So we're good. Okay, so not gonna lie, I'm a smidge concerned here too, but let's see. See, I'm still waiting for my shipment of boards to come in from Chalk Couture. UPS, ugh, they take forever. So if I would have had my board that I ordered, I would have done it on that, but it's okay. Like I said, I'm not uber concerned. Okay. See how this heart turned out. heard, but like I said, it's okay. Here's what we're going to do for this part. There it goes. Oop, I went off a little bit. Okay. It's all right. Okay, okay, okay. Q-tip. Q-tip, Q-tip. There it goes. There we go. See, at least I cleaned up that little part. I probably could clean up some of this too. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Okay, I'm happy with it. Aw, that's cute. It turned out super cute. It's very rustic. And honestly, like I said, what I might try and do if I have time is I may try and sand it so that it definitely looks to be intentional that way. That would be super cute. I like the distressed look too, Nance. If you chalk with the grain, it works best. I will definitely keep that in mind. Sylvia, hi Brandy. I agree, perfection is totally overrated. It's the fact that it's a handmade gift that people will love. And not every one of them are going to come out with perfection included, but it came from the heart, and that's what matters. So that's it. 1, 2, 3 project. It's so good to be home with a little heart. How can you go wrong? Right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, and not only that, but I had to kind of make this a quickie project tonight too, because like I said, I have my team meeting. I have my emerging leaders call. We had to take Big Brand to get a doctor's appointment. So we had a lot of things on our plate today, but we are good. Hi, Denise. Hi, Mabel. Hi, Rianne. Thanks, Susan. Okay, so I am going to let you all go. I hope you had a wonderful night. Thanks for joining me in my lightning quick project here. And I will talk with you all later. Like I said, we'll be cruising to 200 in no time. Hi, Barb. I agree. Homemade gifts are the best. So you guys have a wonderful night, and I will talk with you later. Bye.